Timo, what is that? A box? Who's it from? Yeah, it's for you.
А кто тебе прислал?
Деда?
А что ты деда говорить будешь?
Громче.
Громко,
Громче.
Встань, встань.
Давай, давай.
Еще.
Just have him dig through it.
I am.
Those were the instructions to let him dig through it. Что там такое, кепи?
He doesn't care about anything. But he can't take it out until he takes everything out.
Давай, вытаскивай оттуда.
Вытаскивай, это все вытаскивай. Вот это все берет, это все вытаскивай. Juicy.
Вау.
Носочки. Wait.
That's for mommy, huh?
I was going to say, wait, kitty cats?
That's for mommy.
Thank you.
Whoa, Timo, what is that? Что такое?
Don't show him the candy.
No, what is that? Milk? Wow. That's for mama. Wow.
With brandy. We should give him a couple.
What is it, Tima?
Car.
Wow, cool truck.
No, that's car.
I want to see that, but look.
They're cute.
I like
They're
them.
really cute, yeah.
Put them on.
Да, прям аж.
Put them on.
No. Yes.
Open the car. You want me to open it?
Really cute. This is really cute.
Okay, hold on, Timmy. I'll open it
So
for you.
pretty cute. This is, thank you.
Show us.
И зубки так надо. Cheese.
Let's play with your truck.
That's what he put something else. Иди сюда, я тебе открою. That's what he stuffed something somewhere.
Stuff something in there.
Something, I don't know. You kind of explain it, it's underneath something. Подожди, Тимочка, hold on, Танька. Тимочка, потом у тебя оставь. Все, поймем. Сейчас я тебе открою. Терпение.
It's my car.
This is your truck. Is that a truck or a car?
Car.
It's a truck.
No,
The
that's
truck.
Look at it. It's a truck. Black truck.
there's a black car.
No, black truck.
No, black car.
Black
Hold
truck.
on, Тимочка, hold on.
Cool. Black
подожди.
car. Cool. Cool, my black car. I have black car.
It's a Jeep.
Oh,
It's right here. Show. What is that? Show them the car. What?
Kenny.
Huh?
I see Kenny.
A kepi? Oh, what is it?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? Timo, look. What's that?
I'm trying to hide all the candy away from him so he doesn't see it.
Kenny.
A candy, да?
Cool. Я тебе трак откроем, да?
Это пультик.
Там пультик такой, да?
Папа, это пультик.
Wow. It drives?
Yeah. А это пультик.
Hold on, Тимочка.
Uh-oh.
Кепи поставь, пожалуйста, на полик.
It's Kenny.
Daddy's gonna have to unscrew the пультик. Okay? На, папа, дай пультик, папа тебе раскрутит пультик, окей?
Вот такое. Вот да. Сейчас папа раскрутит тебе.
Yeah, that's it. You're gonna have to unscrew all these things, Тимочка.
Okay, Timo, скажи thank you, деда.
Thank you, Dada.
Love you.
Thank you, Papa, Mama, so much.
Bye, guys.